Retelling with me. Officer Buckle, asking and answering questions. Today, boys and girls, I'm going to ask you some questions about my book, Officer Buckle and Gloria. When I ask you the question, I want you to answer back. Then we'll check our answers. Are you ready? Who were the characters? Notice the question word, who? I'm asking you a question. Who were the characters in the story Officer Buckle and Gloria? Let me hear you. Did you say me, of course, Officer Buckle? And Gloria? Pat yourself on the back. Great job. But be ready. They get harder. Are you ready? What was the setting? Where did the story take place? Remember, the setting is where the story takes place. So the question words, what and where, I'm asking about the setting. Can you tell me where the story took place? I can't hear you. Did you say at the police station? You'd be right. But did you also say at the school? Because guess what? There can be more than one setting, and in my story, there were definitely more settings than just one. So two settings that I'm sharing are the police station and at the school. Great job. But now we're going to talk about the beginning, middle, and end. Are you ready? What happened in the beginning? Now think about this. Think back to the story that you read with your teacher. In the beginning of the story, what happened? Okay, what else? Right, let's check our answers. If you're still thinking, pause this video and finish, then press play. Did you say that I gave an awesome speech and those kids just weren't listening? I thought it was awesome. I didn't even notice they didn't like it. But they sent me Gloria. She came with me and they really started to listen. I thought I was amazing. The beginning's still going though. What happened? Why were the kids listening now? Wasn't it because of me? I'm awesome. Let me hear you. What happened in the beginning? Okay, if you're not done talking, pause and come back. Oh my gosh, Gloria was putting on quite the show, wasn't she? The kids were laughing and listening because Gloria was so entertaining. What happened in the middle? Let's think about that. So after all that stuff in the beginning happened, what happened in the middle? Pause this and think about it. Okay, tell me what happened. Oh, look at that. I saw on the news that Gloria stole the show. I was shocked. I spilled my popcorn. And when the school asked me to come back, I said no. I was so jealous. And so Gloria went on her own, but she didn't know what to do, so now the kids weren't listening again. That's a real problem. And what about at the end? The question is, what happened at the end? And how did the characters feel? Those are two really great question words. Go ahead and tell me, what happened at the end and how did the characters feel? Did you say that we worked together as a team? Because you know what? We found out we were better together. And then our fan mail included both of us. So the kids loved us together. When we worked separately, we weren't good. But when we worked together as a team, we made things happen. Thank you for joining me with Retelling with me, Officer Buckle, asking and answering questions. Remember, we retell a story by telling the characters and setting, and then the beginning, middle, and end. We don't tell the whole story, just the main parts for the beginning, middle, and end. Great job, boys and girls. Have a good day.